I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need an administrator account and the Windows edition. Once done, press Win plus R, type CMD and press Enter to reproduce the issue. Note any error message. Make sure Task Manager isn't showing a suspended CMD, EXE, or extreme CPU usage that blocks new windows. This first step isolates whether the problem is permission-related, a simple app freeze, or an environment issue. Document what you see so you know which path to take next. Once you confirm CMD won't open PowerShell as an administrator. Run sfc/scano to repair system files, and then use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health if SFC finds problems. If system tools run, check your path environment variable for malformed entries and fix or remove broken paths. Next, create a new administrator user to determine if the problem is your profile versus system-wide. These steps address corrupted system components, and to finish, repair or reinstall affected Windows components. Use settings or mount installation media and run an in-place repair if necessary. Verify that group policy or registry keys aren't blocking CMD, EXE, undo policies that restrict command shells. If you still face issues, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party services and startup items, disable suspects, and test again. Troubleshooting tip: if safe mode works, narrow it down with a clean boot. Disable half the services, reboot and bisect until you find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.